Disgusting!
Welcome to Tech Hacks, where we think of different ways to make your life easier. In this first episode, eating while gaming. My personal favourite method, chips and chopsticks. I actually use this at home. You don't get your fingers dirty, you can pick one by one, very atas.
I am a barbarian, so I'm just gonna eat this right out of the bag, pour it in my mouth and then...
I'm going to be a walking meme. Just put it here, just chomp it like this while playing. You can smell the Doritos.
Okay, we are all ready now, so let's go!
I'm the Amma.
Ah.
Wait, what are we supposed to do?
Somebody has to cook. Oh no, it's spilling on my shirt. Oh, good, get it up.
Okay.
This chopstick is actually not easy to use. Wait. Oh, that's huh?
Look at Okay, I'm gonna eat a bit of this first.
Oh my god. I'm glad I'm not allergic.
I had to rock my chair. Stop it!
Lean back! Lean back! Lean back! The chopsticks method. It's quite precise, but you don't actually get that many Doritos. If you want to eat fast, it's not.
My method kind of worked. I get to eat a lot, but then I have a lot of Dorito face. There's some on the floor as well.
Dorito face! You also have Dorito face?
I have Dorito everything.
Told you it's not gonna work.
Sucks! This sucks! I'm a monster!
I think we 1, 2, 3 point to the worst method.
Okay.
1, 2, 3 point to the best method. 1, 2, 3. Chopsticks are the winner. Putting chips on your chest and eating, the loser.
We'll see you guys next time. Do you want to see us guys next time also?